AI is revolutionizing everything, even making money online. Some might be opposed to these changes because it actually reveals the secret methods they've been using to make $100 or more a day. So in this video, I'll be showing you that exact method in less than 10 minutes so that you can start your own AI side hustle. And all it takes is applying for college. In all realness, you don't need experience or a degree to start. I've helped students with zero experience achieve these results using the same AI side hustle I'm about to show you. But even if you're on a budget, you're gonna have every tool and resources to get started for free. So make sure to stick with me until the end. But look, if you want a chance to win a free consulting call with our team to help you with the exact steps to get started, then make sure to smash the like button and comment the word AI with your biggest takeaway from the video. I remember back when it took a lot of time, dedication, and investment to get started on a dropshipping store. You had to manually search for products, figure out how to build your own store, and don't even get me started on how much you have to spend on ads just to see some profit. It was basically like working another full-time job. But all of that is changing with AI, especially when it comes to developing new and improved methods of creating successful dropshipping businesses. So let me break it down for you. To turn 1 month of work into just 10 minutes and to get your store up and running. Alrighty, picture this. You want to sell something, but don't know where to start. A couple common questions you might ask yourself is, do I make the store first? What products do I sell? How do I market this or maybe that? How can I cook something without doing dishes? Okay, that last one is just me. It all sounds overwhelming when thinking about everything you need to do to get started. But after finding out what results these influencers are producing with this method, it changed everything. And let me fill you in on a little secret on what they're not telling you. It's free. Knowing that, what do you think is the best approach to start? Product research or building a store? Trick question. Why not both? What I mean by that is there are now AI store builders on the market that will literally build your store and add trending products to in just a matter of minutes. This alone is allowing e-commerce sellers to create multiple scalable stores without ever, one, spending days trying to do so, and two, actually having to do all the hard work. Now, I've tried a nice amount of AI store builders, but the one I think works the best and the fastest is linked down below in the description for you. I'm going to show you how to set it up. So if you want to follow along while I do that, make sure you go click the link and follow the setup. Let's get right into it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page right here. You're just going to click build my free store. And right off the bat, you can see everything with this store builder, which is all important to me to make sure you have, including the AI store builder for free, 10 winning products, proven to sell, high converting, themes, ready to sell pages, 100% profits, 24/7 customer support, premium apps, and sales badges. So you're gonna add information and click next. And this is where you're going to choose the niche you want to sell. But if you don't know what niche you want to sell, you can just select I don't know tab. No worries though, it's still gonna be doing all the work for you. Once you select your niche, it will prompt you to choose 2 banners for your store. It doesn't matter if you like them or not. This is your store and you'll be able to edit anything you want to change later. Now, once you're done, it's going to take you to this next page here where you're going to create your Shopify store. When you click Access Shopify, it's going to take you here and you're going to see that you're going to get a free trial for the next 3 months only for $1. So just enter your information and start your free trial. You can skip all the Shopify questions and you're going to enter the country you're in here. All right, so now you just need to add your details and click Create Shopify Account. Finishing up all the other prompts, your store is created and ready to sell. After you're finished getting your store created, you can get right into the products. And yes, you already have products from the store builder, but this tool I'm about to show you will help you save time in finding more products to sell and fulfilling your orders. That means you don't have to worry about contacting the supplier or manually doing it yourself. Alrighty, even though setting up our store was easier than ever, we should start generating sales, right? Well, yes, but let's talk about these applications that made those well-known influencers into millionaires, all because they did this. These Shopify applications will not only boost store conversions, but will actually retain customers so you can make sales sales consistently after with minimal effort. Let's dive right into the first one, which is Vitals. This tool will boost store conversions by allowing you to look into customer replays so you know how to improve your store and make that sale every time. Vitals also has a ton of integrations like currency converter, bundle deals, and frequently bought together to generate more sales. We actually show you how to do the full setup of each of these integrations in this video right here. But the most important tool they offer is their reviews. Having reviews in your store is super important because that's how you gain the trust from your customers and allow them to sell themselves on the product. Think about it. Everyone wants a product that they see is making someone else's life easier. Reviews just make it easy for the customer to hop on the bandwagon. Everything I just showed you is exactly how people, no matter their experience, are quickly launching their online store and making $100 per day using AI. But if you want to take things to the next level and start driving real traffic to your store, the next step is mastering how to run ads, spending your budget the right way, and optimizing fast so that your store starts printing money. And that's exactly what we do to help you in our one-on-one mentorship program here at Supreme Ecom. So make sure to click the link down in the description and apply for one of the limited spots available. Until then, make sure you meet me in the next video where I'll be showing you exactly how to find more trending products you can sell right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Julian with Supreme Econ, and I'm out.